Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to cancel Klarna subscription. Start by opening the Klarna app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into the correct account where the payment plan or one-time card was created. Once you are inside the app, look at the bottom menu and tap on Wallet. This section contains your Klarna cards, payment plans, and other payment options connected to your account. Inside the Wallet section, find the payment plan or Klarna card that you want to cancel. If you created a one-time card for an online purchase, you should also see it listed here. Tap on the specific plan or card to open its details page. On this screen, you will see information about the payment amount, status, and card details. Now scroll down if needed and look for the option that says Cancel Plan or Cancel this card. Tap on that option. The app may ask you to confirm your choice before the cancellation is completed. Confirm the cancellation, and Klarna will immediately stop the payment plan or deactivate the one-time card, as long as the funds have not already been used. If the option to cancel does not appear, it usually means the payment has already been processed or the card has already been used. Thanks for watching.